Paul Belenobong Alvarez, born June 15, 1968, is a Filipino former professional basketball player of the Philippine Basketball Association and politician. Dubbed as Mr. Excitement because of his high-leaping, slam-dunking acts. Basketball career, at the young age of 17, Paul graduated from the University of Manila High School, where he was considered a star of the Hawklets. His playing style was noticed by San Sebastian coach Francis Rodriguez, who took him to the San Sebastian varsity team in 1985. As a rookie, Alvarez helped the Recto-based team win their second championship in the NCAA. In 1987, Paul was one of the college players chosen to represent the Philippine national team to the ABC Youth Championships held in Manila. He then became a member of the RP basketball team to the William Jones Cup in Taipei, the SEA Games in Jakarta, and ABC Championships in Bangkok. He also played for coach Derek Pumaran and the Magnolia Quintet in the Philippine Amateur Basketball League PABL. In his final year with San Sebastian College in 1988, Alvarez, along with league MVP Eugene Quilban, led the Stags to sweep the elimination round and then clinch the school's third NCAA title. The win erased the stigma of a bitter finals loss to Letron Knights the previous season. PBA career, Paul Alvarez turned pro in 1989 and was drafted third overall by Alaska Milk, behind fellow national teammates Benji Paraz and Nelson Acetono. He made an impact from his very first game, delighting the crowd with his high-flying antics. Soon after, fans and TV announcers started calling him Mr. Excitement, a moniker that stuck with him throughout his career. In his sophomore year, Alvarez shattered the record for most points by an individual in a single game held by Alan Kadick. He poured in 71 points in Alaska's 169-138 victory over Formula Shell on April 26, 1990. That same year, he made it to the Mythical 5 selection for the first time, but injured his Achilles heel in Game 3 of the 1990 PBA Third Conference Finals against Pure Foods. He was out of commission for 2 full conferences to recuperate from the Achilles heel injury, but made a successful comeback in the third conference, helping to limit the point production of Best Import awardee Wes Matthews in the finals against Ginebra San Miguel. Alvarez and the Milkmen won their first ever PBA championship. A contract dispute with Alaska at the start of the 1993 PBA season led to Alvarez boarding a plane to the United States. When he returned to the country, Alaska traded him to Studat Lucia for Bong Hawkins. He was back in harness, quickly becoming one of the main men of the Realtors and was named Comeback Player of the Year by the PBA Press Corps. His playing career becomes somewhat of a journeyman from there, being traded to Shell for Romeo Della Rosa at the start of the 1994 PBA season and then moved to San Miguel Beer in a trade with Victor Pablo in less than 2 years. After his one-year stint with Ginebra in 1998, Alvarez went on to play for a short stint in the Metropolitan Basketball Association before coming back to play in the PBA. Politics. In September 2024, Alvarez joined the Acción Democrático Party as he would run for councilor of 3rd District of Manila in the 2025 elections. He was named part of the ticket of former Manila Mayor Isko Moreno, who will seek a comeback as mayor. However, he lost, finishing 9th among the candidates for the 6 seats of the district. Arresti Alvarez was caught using drugs with 2 other individuals at a barber shop in Sikatuna Village, Quezon City on June 3, 2017. Initially, policemen went to the barber shop to serve an arrest warrant on Alvarez for a case of slight physical injury. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.